In front of me is XIAOMI 17T, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Google. Now select All Services. Scroll again and choose Autofill with Google over here. Then hit Google Password Manager. Select any password you wanna edit and enter your screen lock. Now choose Edit button and change whatever you want to. Once you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!